Oh, the weather looks so good. Where are you? It's my first time here. I've never been in this side.
You wasn't here.
I should have brought my sunglasses. Seoul Forest. Let's look at the map.
Butterfly, rabbit.
Where are the deers?
I don't think so. There's no deer, I guess.
They were saying even on the Neva. Oh, 여기 있다.
Oh.
Obviously, I came here for the most reason, for the nature. But also, I really want to see deers. I've never seen deers like that.
Yes. How do you feel?
It's pretty because I've noticed there's not much nature in Seoul, like parks like this. We don't have much.
You're from our house. There's an Olympic Park there. It's just a name.
It's different parks, maybe. What did you say that butterfly thing is? It's like a spot with butterflies?
The glass house, kind of. The warm house.
Full of butterflies?
Yeah. No, I never been.
I've never been there. Okay. Yeah, this is literally the perfect spot to be like reading a book or studying, I guess. But we are also very lucky with the weather.
Yeah, I told you. Today is clear sky, so that's why the perfect timing to visit.
If it will be earlier, it will be way too hot, I think, outside.
That's true.
So. Now it's already 4 p.m., right?
Yeah.
4 p.m. is a good time, I guess.
Forget to buy water.
You didn't brought your bottle. So pretty here.
Free butterfly.
Who needs a gym when you can just come to Korea? There's stairs everywhere. Butterfly garden. It's really hard to catch them, but they don't stop. These big ones over there.
The black one.
Wow, it's huge. You got it? Oh wow. You got it's hard to focus. It's flying away. I'm kind of scared if it comes too close to me though. I'm scared of it. Well, whatever photos he's taking, I'm just gonna edit here in the video, by the way. I can't capture them. The video is so hard. So handsome. Ayun na, not scared. Huh? Oh. Set garden. I saw this one. Neva. Hmm? Oh, wow. Look at this one. This is no, I don't like this. They're dead. I don't like it. What is it here? Cactus. So many different type of cactus. Oh. I know some people are really crazy about cactus. Not me though.
I feel like we are in a Jurassic Park.
It's true. Feels like we're like in the Amazon. These plants don't even feel like they are from here, right? Oh, what is here? Don't know, but I think I like it. If I see turtles, fishes. Oh, turtles! This is what I wanted, and this is what I got.
Wow.
Wow. See, baby, this is what I want.
You want to raise that tattoo?
Yes, please. Oh, so cute. How adorable. I really want it. She's just like me and bothered with anything and anyone. I love it. Then we get one.
Just take it.
I'm gonna buy a tortoise. Not even joking. Talking serious. My heirloom to our kids is gonna be a tortoise. So I don't have money, so I'll just give them a tortoise. Because it lives them more than 100 years. So I think it's a good idea. Yeah, I don't like these things. Makes me sad. I heard somewhere saying that butterflies only live like a week, something like that. And usually when people make these things, they're already dead. So they die and then they do this.
Yeah.
That's what I heard. Hopefully.
Wow. This is so pretty. The black and blue.
That one?
Peru. Wow.
I feel like it's squashed though. Look at how big it is. Look at this butterfly. It's not a butterfly. It's like a moth. No? Ah, disgusting though. Yeah, it feels weird because it doesn't feel like these plants are from Korea. Right? Very tropical.
Yeah. Tropical.
Let's go. Let's go down. Sweating. There's no AC here. I'm dying. Too hot. I like the lighting though. Sunlight is perfect. The sky is perfect. Clear blue sky. Can you tell that my mood is much happier now? I think I'm really not a city girl. Here, I'm perfect, fine.
That's why my baby feels.
Good nature. Pretty sky. Oh, I love this.
By the way, this road is cherry blossom.
Then let's come here in spring again.
Yeah, maybe late March.
Yeah, I think most parks in general in Korea during spring gets really crowded.
Because of the cherry blossoms.
cherry
and all the
blossoms.
flowers. Because autumn, winter, you can't see much flowers. And soon, autumn time also. We are going to the Han River, drinking a beer.
Because I'm really not looking forward for the winter. I'm really not looking forward for the cold weather.
I'm looking forward to winter. There you go.
Oh, let's go see the deers. Nearly there. Oh, let's go from here. Wow, they are bigger than I thought.
Wow.
It's staring at you. The horns are really big.
Hey, hey. Bless you.
It's hot. It's very hot.
Wow. Yummy dear.
Very pretty. So glad we came here, baby.
That's good.
Oh my eyes. Can't open it. Recommendation, don't come on a 30 degrees.
Come here next week.
Think so. I was innocent thinking the summer was gone and the autumn was nearly here, but night is also cold.
Yeah.
Like from 9, but this closed at 9 p.m. so.
Now I can see.
Now it's time to go home. Yeah, we were planning to have like some food outside, like some ramen near the Han River, but change of plans. We're gonna just have some gapsai and grill it at home. Let's go. So, just got home from Daiso. I went to buy some makeup removal tissues. So tired. We are trying to save money, so try not to eat outside. We have been eating outside way too often. We already went groceries the other day. Let me get my makeup off. I guess I can't do two things at the same time. I'm gonna use this one. Here, straight to my face. That was it for this video. If you liked, please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!